I bought the ice cream for tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
For the kids.
Is it?
Yeah. If you want this stuff, I'm in 101 over there, right?
101, yeah.
Yeah, over there I'm on the end, last one. If you want any of this
Yeah.
stuff,
What?
I do birthday parties and weddings.
Yeah, what's your name, man?
People ask me to Lou.
Lou, yeah.
Yeah, people ask me to do that.
Yeah.
Family reunions.
Yeah.
They take like 20 sticks for all the kids.
All right.
At a wedding, you got like 40 kids.
40 kids, yeah.
Yeah, at a
okay.
wedding, that's 40 sticks.
Yeah.
Right, that they need.
Okay, okay.
And then the formula.
Yeah.
I'll do a 2.
So you go forward.
This is a 2.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really
fast.
nice, man.
Too fast.
Too fast, yeah.
Well, I don't know this formula yet. I just started this formula. I don't know it yet. It's not ready.
How long you been doing this?
Well, 3 or 4 years.
3, 4 years.
Yeah.
That's a long.
Here we go. I'll just take a bit. Wow.
Yeah,
It's
wow.
not very good. I gotta fix the formula. I just threw some in a bucket.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. I'm making formula over there, mixing and everything, you know?
Yeah, okay.
You need hot water and the formula.
Yeah.
And then when the kids get it dirty, the formula, I gotta get it cleaned. Yeah, you can put your hand inside. If your
Yeah.
hand is wet, you can go inside.
Oh,
You
nice,
can go
man.
like this inside if your hand's
Yeah.
wet.
Very nice, very impressive.
I'll put it, I gotta, because there's no wind,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a bubble in a bubble.
Bubble in a bubble.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I gotta start again. Too low, the wind changed.
Oh, windy, yeah.
It changed. A bubble in a
Oh,
bubble.
nice,
it
man.
took connection with the other one.
Yeah, very impressive.
It's fun. Oops. The wind moved over there. I go circles. Let's see if I can make a nice long one. That's it.
So that's your job, yeah?
I make,
So this is your job now, yeah?
well, yeah, it's my hobby. Kind of like a job when I
Like
feel
a hobby, yeah?
Just when I feel like it.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, I do. I feel.
Very
I
nice.
do it. I do when I feel, when my body's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Yeah,
Okay.
this isn't very strong. This
Yeah.
stuff isn't very strong. This,
This soap is not very strong, yeah?
yeah, this. Plus, for tonight, it's Arctic air,
Oh, yeah, it is, yeah.
dry air.
It's dry, yeah.
The
Yeah.
best time when it's raining,
Yeah.
it's perfect.
Oh,
There's
rainy
100
time is, yeah, moisture, yeah?
100% humidity.
Yeah.
The bubbles can be like 10 feet round, and they don't break. They
No
take
breaks,
a
yeah.
long time to break.
Oh.
But in this weather, it
Yes,
bites it.
yeah, it is.
But because this formula is really good. This formula is very good.
Yeah.
But not under these conditions. Not on these conditions. It just bites it. It's really below zero. So I'll get it right.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, I can't make it much bigger than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, it's coming along. I could probably make it a little bigger. That's a small one.
Yeah. Okay, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.